it can copy your movement. So it depends. For example, if you use your body movement, so this kind of forward drive will follow your direction. Okay? So this AI now is really big help. I mean, malaking bagay ito if you use the AI camera. Kasi ito na yung usually, lalo kung gumagawa ka ng humanoid robot. If you want to copy your movement, the facial expression, so you need to record it using the AI camera. Okay? Then, at the same time, on this part, so as you can see, it has this kind of the forward drive is open area siya. Because you can still more do some attachments. Like if you want to put a clause, you can do it. Okay? So you can create your own clause and you can connect it. But make sure you need to study first regarding the wirings at sa mga coding for you to run it on the clause. Yes, you can also program it, this forward drive, and also the microbit using the clause, the pick up, and sabi nga ni sir kung gaano ba higpit or ka-smooth yung pag-pick up. So that's how you can do it. So this is the AI camera. Then this one, the Arduino. No. And this is also our Arduino. So actually, yung mga sensor na nabanggit ko, meron din siya dito. So ito mga spare parts na siya for Arduino if you are doing the Arduino projects. For sure naman, familiar na kayo sa Arduino. Tama? Ayan. So yung ating breadboard. Then yung mga pins and sensor. So, ayan siya. Hindi ko na open. So, kasi I think sila, sir, Arduino yung ginamit nila. Then, this one, the last. Okay. So, this is the actually most common kind of assemble of robotics international kasi madalas ginagamit to sa competition. Ito yung may pinakang magandang setup or the compose of the line sensor. Ito yung talagang sobrang bilis when it comes to line sensor. And you can also put a timer here. So ito yung madalas ginagamit for international competition. Okay? Anyone here na na-experience na nagkaroon ng competition, local, international, for the innovation project? Yung mga ganito, since we're on the, Tama? Computer engineering, tama? You are computer engineering students. Tama ba?
Computer science din.
Computer science, sorry. Ayun. So, that's all. That's we have. Actually, there's more on. With this kind of equipment, you can also use, create your own mini traffic light. Have you tried to create your own traffic light? So, you can also create your auto watering plant, you can test the humidity, and so on, and many so on projects that you want. So that's all. So